Hello and good evening. By now, you would have started preparing for your September exam, and most of you would be struggling with one major thing coming into picture: the length of the syllabus. Whatever paper you attempt, most of the papers are quite lengthy when it comes to their syllabus areas, the items which you have to understand, the objectives which you have to achieve. And this actually gives a panic attack to most of the students. How to handle this much long syllabus? Yes, it is a problem. I can completely relate to you. But if there is a problem, some solution also must be there. What's that solution? One solution which can help is notes. Notes which can bring the bigger chunk of information like this in the form of some charts, in the form of some small bits of information which you can digest easily. Basically, when you read a lot of information, it is more likely that you won't be able to retain it for a longer period of time. Now, one thing, when you start studying the concept, you have to dive in detail. You have to see the details so that you know each and every aspect of that concept. But yes, there are certain things which should be there in your mind also, some rules, some systems, some ways of dealing with a particular transaction. This you need to have in your mind with clarity, and then you will have to apply this in the exam. But it becomes easy to handle such areas if that treatment is absolutely in your mind through a clear picture. This picture can help you retain the concepts for a very long period of time. Now, how do you get such notes? I mean, these pictures are going to be helpful. It's very much clear, and you all know that. So, there is one idea. Whenever you are studying, start making your own notes if your learning provider is not giving you notes. But in most of the cases, we see that the learning providers do give their notes. If the notes do not have any charts, try these charts, make them on your own. Immediately at the time when you are studying the concept, these charts, when you make or when you read through these charts, they actually keep the concept intact in your mind. Another idea, your learning partners may have got the access to the ACCA premium content, which is available only for the tutors. You can get the benefit of these notes from there also. Ask your learning providers, they'll definitely help you out in this. At least with more structured, more visually appealing notes, your journey will become quite easy. Try this, more likely it is going to help you in any way. And at the end, when you revise, then also these charts, these diagrams make your task easy and your revision quicker. Try this. And if there is any confusion, you want me to advise on something else as well, please do write that in the comment section. Thank you so much and take care.